Hello guys, welcome to Horizon YouTube channel. In this video we are going to learn how to design floor plan in ARCHICAD24. So this is a continuation of our previous video where we learned how to set the work environment for ARCHICAD. So if you haven't watched the previous video, please do so via link in the description, and please subscribe to my channel. So to begin, we are going to highlight select ground floor by double clicking it. Then we come to the left end of the screen where we have tools, we have design, we have viewpoint, we have document. You come and select design. So in design there are various tools that are in ARCHICAD library which can help you to design your project. So we are going to select wall tool. So by clicking on the wall tool, it is going to be selected, and to set the wall that we want for our project, there are two methods that we can use. The first method is clicking Ctrl T, which will bring you to this this dialog box where you can now set your wall as per the requirement of your project. The next method you can use is clicking on the wall, and there will be a pop-up of this dialog box where we can as well set our wall to suit our project. So for this video we are going to select that wall, and we are going to the wall thickness we are going to make to be 200, and the type of wall we are going to use for this case is a brick wall. Then we come to model. So this is override surfaces. So basically these are surface colors that you can apply to your environment, to your project. So if you want to apply them, you can highlight, you can activate them, and you can choose from these various categories of colors and surfaces you can apply. And for this our video, we are not going to apply wall surfaces. So after setting that, you click OK, and now again we set the reference line location where there is outside face, there is center, there is inside face. For our case we are going to use center, and now we are ready to go. So we can start by constructing a wall on this inside this box, and our wall is going to be 14,000. These units are in millimeters, so 14,000 millimeters, and our wall is there. Then for easier drawing, we can we can drag a copy. You right click, then this dialog box will pop up. We come to move, then we can drag a copy, and this copy we are going to drag it right there. Yes, so x coordinate we are going to, it is going to remain 0, and y coordinate negative 8,000. Yes, then you press enter. So we have our wall there. Then we can now connect the two with the wall. You do the same on this side, and it is right there. So this is a basic wall, and it is a simple one, and we can now view it in 3D where yes, it is right there. Yeah, so if you want to rotate it and see all the sides, you can press O on the keyboard, and you can now maneuver it around and check. Yes, it is nice. So we can go back to ground floor. So we can now start to partition our yes, our plan. So we can again drag a copy, and let's say something to do with okay, for the x coordinate we are going to, it is going to remain 0, and this one, let's say 4500 I mean. Press OK. Okay, so we can undo that. Yes, we drag a copy. So x coordinate is going to remain 0. Y coordinate is going to be negative 4500. Then now you press enter. So again we can move this one to make a pathway, or yeah. So we right click, we come to move, we drag a copy, and this one now is going to be x-axis, x coordinate is going to be 0, and y coordinate is going to be let's put it 1500. Enter. Yes, so yeah, it's very nice. Yes, so we can now continue with the designing our wall. So we can partition the wall like that, and again like that. So we again continue, we can put this one to be, so yeah, we can construct, or we can design our porch or something, or veranda. Yes, and our veranda is going to be 2500. Oh wow, that is quite bad. It is going to be 2500. You make sure it is straight, and x is going to be 0, y is going to be negative 2500. Then you press enter. Yes, that one is nice. Then of course we again extend this one downwards, 0, negative 2500. Then you press enter. That is right. So we can connect the two. So it's pretty well, it's not that bad. Now you come to 3D. Yes, and you can see we've just constructed a very nice plan from nothing. Yeah, because you can see it's look very nice. Yeah, so we come back to ground floor. So now we can start designing how we want everything to look. Yeah, that is quite the idea. So we can now say this one can be our living room, this one can be our pathway. Yeah, so we are going to see how it's going to come out. So, and remember, every time you draw, remember to always save, because to prevent data loss and everything, and repetition in case of a data loss. So guys, that is basically how you can construct a very simple wall using ARCHICAD. Yes, so thank you guys for your time, and let us do some more on ARCHICAD in the next coming videos. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and thank you very much.